If your Epic Games Launcher is opening to a blank white screen, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a minute or two. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix the Epic Games Launcher white screen bug, step by step, so you can get back into the launcher and start using it normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to completely close the Epic Games Launcher. If it's frozen on a white screen, make sure it is not still running in the background. You can right-click the Epic Games icon in your system tray and exit it, or open Task Manager and end the Epic Games Launcher process if needed. This step is important because we want to clear the launcher's cached files while it is fully closed. Now open File Explorer and go to the Epic Games Launcher folder on your computer. You need to find the saved folder inside the Epic Games Launcher directory. Once you're there, look for a folder called WebCache. This folder stores temporary web data that the launcher uses to load its interface, and when that cache becomes corrupted, it can cause the white screen bug. Delete the WebCache folder completely. Don't worry, the launcher will recreate it automatically when you restart it. After deleting that folder, close File Explorer and go back to your desktop. Next, reopen the Epic Games Launcher. Give it a moment to rebuild the cache and reload the interface. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to fix the white screen immediately. If the launcher opens normally, then the problem was just a corrupted cache, and you're good to go. If you still see a white screen after restarting, try closing the launcher again and launching it one more time. Sometimes the first restart is just part of the refresh process. You can also make sure Windows is fully updated and your graphics drivers are current, because outdated system files can sometimes interfere with app rendering. But for most users, deleting the WebCache folder is the main fix that solves the Epic Games Launcher white screen quickly and safely. It's a simple method, it doesn't require reinstalling the launcher, and it helps refresh the app without losing your account or game library. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy step-by-step fixes for Epic Games, Windows, or other gaming apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.